right, guys, hey, it's Bonita, and this week I'm gonna jump into a little bit more footwork. So we're gonna learn about sweeps and then also reverse sweeps, okay? So sweep, reverse sweep, and half sweep is what we're gonna jump into today. So just some basic ones. So basically, in my 6-step tutorial, I did jump on or talked a little bit about the half sweep. So just to review and clarify. So when I'm going into my half sweep, I have 1 foot in front and 1 foot behind. So I'm gonna take I'm gonna drop pretty low here, yeah? The lower I go, the smoother the sweep will be. So my back foot, and I'm gonna use my hips. My hips are gonna swing all the way around, and I'm gonna take my arms with it, yeah? So I'm gonna start here, really use that upper body, drop down, foot doesn't touch the floor, and pull in. Nice and tight, and it should be super quiet. You shouldn't be making any noise, doing anything crazy like that. Make it nice and, you know, don't actually sweep the floor, like don't actually touch the floor, right? So from here, this is a good drill. I'm gonna do a reverse. I'm gonna kick that foot out, and I'm gonna come straight back up. Boom, yeah? Let's try that other side. Same exact thing. Here, hands, yep, down, drop that down. I'm rotating back so I can twist and come all the way in, making no sound. Good. Tuck that foot. Again, couple little techniques. Make sure that you don't flatten over on the top of your toe. You are always on the top of your toe. So you can stand up at any time. So make sure you're on those toes. Boom, back up to that sweep. If we want to do a full sweep, same exact prep, same exact drop, and then same exact momentum with that leg. Now, instead of stopping it right there in that hook, we're gonna take it all the way around. Make a full circle, yeah? So from here, I'm gonna drop, I'm gonna take it all the way around. Good, and I'm gonna bring it back into my hook. Good, 2 hands is fine. 1 hand would be ideal, right? That would be like the next level. So, but again, take your time, learn it, make sure it's nice and fluid. Let's try that again. So we're here, we're gonna do 1 full sweep, bring it around into that half sweep, hook it in, okay? So here we go. Full sweep, half. Good, nice. We're gonna try the other side, okay? So we're here, down, same thing, full sweep, half. Good, nice. So there's your full sweep, there's your half sweep. Last variation we're gonna talk about is called the reverse sweep. So let's go back to here. We're gonna do that full sweep back into that half sweep. So here, whoop, back, good. From here, we're gonna take it back, reverse it. So now you're gonna kick it out, just like we drilled earlier, and then you're gonna swing it back to then go around. Good. So let's do that other side. We're here. So if we're in that half sweep, from there, I'm gonna take it around. Here, jump over. And there's my reverse on that other side. Cool? All right, let's do a quick recap. Sweep, well, they're all sweeps. Half sweep, full sweep, reverse sweep. Here we go. Half sweep. Good, the spin up for you. Full sweep. Good. Now we're gonna do half sweep, into a full sweep, into a half sweep, into a reverse sweep, and then stand up. Here we go. Nice. So there's half sweep, full sweep, and reverse sweep. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Jump in the comments, let me know what else you want to teach, and stay tuned for more videos.